Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we are making enchiladas with red sauce. And the first thing we're going to do is make the red sauce itself, which means that you have to soak chilies in water. And let's do that. Here's my chilies. This is New Mexico and Chipotle. And pour the water in here. Be generous. Okay. This one here, that is a Chipotle pepper, and this is New Mexico. Chipotles are hotter. Now, if you want to, you can remove the seeds. If you don't want yours as hot, we like ours very, very hot. I'll show you some of the other spices that are going to be going into that. We have an onion and some other spices. This is cumin. This is roasted garlic from Penzeys, the best, and oregano. Okay, well, this has to soak for about an hour, and we'll be back when that stops soaking. Okay, we have 4 different kinds of cheese. This is cottajilla cheese. It's a Mexican cheese. And we have Gruyere, and we have pepper jack and pepper jack. And this is white cheddar. Both of these are white cheddar. And we're going to put these in the food processor and grind them, and they're going to be going and being mixed with onions and cabbage, and that's what we're going to stuff the enchiladas with. Okay, the chilies have been soaking for an hour, and it's time to drain them and make the rest of the sauce. When you work with chilies, it's very important to always wear gloves, because those chilies get really, really hot, and you really don't want to get all that on your fingers, because it will stay with you. So here we go. We're going to take this and take off anything strange like that. I'm just taking the top off, and this one's okay. How about this one? Yeah, that one's, see, little top. Take that off. And this little top off. That's the Chipotle. Isn't that amazing? The way that looked when we first put it in there, and now it's all done. Here's the New Mexicos. They're all beautiful. Okay, now that's done. Now that that's done, I'm gonna put these into a blender. And let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there more in there? Yes, there is. Fantastic. And I'm going to take about 2 cups of the soaking liquid and add it. I'm going to add that soaking liquid. And now I'm going to add roasted garlic, oregano, and cumin. Onion, and onion. And I will be back because I'm going to put this on the blender. Okay, as you can see, it's done. I wish you could smell this. It's amazing. Okay, and now I'm going to put this on the stove. And you can see it's thickened. This is the sauce. It's thickened up a little bit. It's boiling. It's very nice. Very nice indeed. It smells amazing. Okay, I'm going to take the heat off of it and get everything else ready. Okay, time to assemble. I have my tortillas here. I'm not going to be rolling these just because, well, I'm lazy. You can roll them, but I prefer doing this because it doesn't involve any oil or anything like that. So here we go. Put some of this lovely sauce on the bottom of the pan. It's very strong. And our tortilla. Now, finally, we're going to sprinkle some cheese on here. This is Chipotle cheese. It's a very wonderful cheese. It's very crumbly. It almost has a Parmesan taste to it. It's not Parmesan, but it has a similar kind of flavor. It's very generous. This is a whole piece, and see how easy this is? It just falls apart right in your hand. This is the cheese that is used for Mexican street corn. Of course, if you can't find this cheese, you could always use Parmesan or cheddar, something else. There we go. Okay, this is going to go into the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes, or until all this cheese and the sauce is all nice and bubbling. And we'll see you later. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. We put some more cheese on it and some cilantro and some scallions to make it look pretty, and I'm going to cut into it in a moment. Here we are. Let's have a bite. Added a little sour cream, so I like a little sour cream. Here's a bite. Yum. That is just delicious. There was another one. I wish you were here. This was absolutely delicious. And I'll see you next time on The Good Plate.